Wondering how to find your Facebook Messenger QR code? Hi everyone, welcome to One Step Solution. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to locate a QR code on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines which is in the top left corner of your screen to open the settings menu. Then tap on the settings icon. After that, tap on the icon from the top right corner. Now your QR code will appear on the screen. You can save it, share it, or use it as needed. If you need to scan someone else's QR code, tap the scan code option and point your camera at the QR code. And that's how you can find Facebook Messenger QR code. If this video helped you, make sure to like and leave a comment with any questions or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides like this one.